Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you what the letters on the gear shifter mean. Now this will be a simple 2-minute driving lesson and I'm going to try and keep it as short and sweet as possible. As you can see right here, we have various letters on the gear shifter. I'm going to go over each of these letters. Now you might have some that are different on your shifter, but the majority of them are going to be the same. First and foremost, we have the P right here. This stands for park. Now this park basically means that the car is going to be in the park gear. What it basically means is that the car is not going to move. As long as the parking gear is working properly, the car should be still, even if you're not pressing the brake pedal. As you can see right here, I'm not pressing the brake pedal. My car is not moving anywhere, so that's park. Next is R, which is reverse. Reverse means that the car will move backwards. If I push my brake pedal down and I shift the car into reverse, let's put it in, let's try again. Doing it with the wrong hand. It's in reverse right now. You can see the camera right over there. If I release the brake pedal and my parking brake is disengaged, I will move backwards just like that. Okay? Now, next up on the list is N. Let's shift it into N. This stands for neutral. Now, what this means is that the engine is disconnected basically from the wheels. That's the layman's terms way of putting it. But if I release the brake pedal, my car can still roll around if I'm on a hill. But if I press the gas pedal, the engine will rev, but the car's not going anywhere, but the car can still roll. It's different than park because the car can still roll. There's nothing physically from preventing the car from rolling around. Next up is D. Now D stands for drive. My foot is on the brake pedal. If I release it, I will move forward, just as you can see right there. Basically, the engine is now connected to the wheels, so if you press the gas pedal, you're going to move forward at a sped up rate. Next up is S. Now S on this car stands for sport mode. Depending on the car, it might have it, it might not have it, but it stands for sport mode. In this vehicle, it just allows it to be a sportier type of feel. A little bit more acceleration, a little bit more throttle response, keeping the revs higher. Very simple. Last but not least is the L right there, which stands for low. Now for the L, it basically means it's going to keep it in a low gear. It's generally not used often. It's more for towing things or carrying heavy loads, because if you keep it in the low gear, you're going to get a great amount of torque and horsepower, but your max speed will suffer. And that's basically it. That is what the letters on the gear shifter mean in about 2 minutes. I tried to keep it to about 2 minutes. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.